What is good, y'all? Waddy here, back with another video, showing everybody the update on everything, how everything looks. As y'all can see, our watermelon is going crazy. Only thing is, we still waiting to see a female flower. It has a small baby watermelon behind it, and that's what we use to we use one of these male ones right here. We'll grab that, break it off, and we'll fertilize the female plant with it, and we'll be good. I haven't seen none yet. It's a whole lot of males. I'm pretty sure it's gonna happen sooner or later. So these are still trying to bounce back. I don't know why they moving so slow. What's going on with them? This one got dug up by a squirrel. I had a squirrel in my garden digging up stuff, putting holes in things. This is my broccoli. Look how big it is now. It's just growing and doing its thing. Got a sweet potato right here. It's growing and doing this thing. Now, we have an ant problem. As y'all can see, it's ants. So I'm gonna have to spray something on the ground, not on my pots or on my plants, but on the ground to keep the ants to a minimum, because they're eating my stuff. Well, they ain't really ate nothing. They just all over my strawberries and stuff. Like you can see my pepper here. Look how long that thing got. Look, it's almost longer than my finger. And then my Tabasco peppers are growing nicely. Sunflowers still growing, doing their thing. Getting tall as heck. They pretty tall. Taller than our broccoli right now. They about almost to my waist. And as you see, I done let this strawberry do its thing. It done planted roots. Now it's taking off again and about to go somewhere else and plant more roots. I done let it plant its roots into my aloe bucket. So might end up cutting that next one, because I'm like, you ain't about to be skipping pots, bruh. Putting strawberries everywhere. It'd be good to put in the garden though. If I had like an actual garden out in the you know, in the yard, that'd be cool. Other than that, everything is everything, y'all. Just waiting to harvest some vegetables. We're gonna definitely make some hot sauce. I want to say I got one more coming in, two more coming in. Looking at it, the top ones, I got two coming in. So it's gonna be pretty exciting. Gonna be jalapeno peppered up. We already Tabasco peppered up. So hot sauce coming soon, y'all. Stay tuned. But till next time, y'all, I'm out of here.
3 days later.
What is going on, y'all? Waddy here, back with another video. Show y'all the update on my garden. We had a crazy storm, tornado watch, so much rain, and some of it helped. Let's check on things. So it kind of calmed our ants down a little bit, but I'm pretty sure they're around here somewhere hiding. But as you can see, this is our watermelon. It came all the way over here and gripped onto the bucket. Look at that. It gripped onto the bucket. I still don't see any female flowers. All these are male flowers. I wanted to try to pollinate some, but I don't think it's ready yet. So we just gonna continue to wait. It's our cantaloupe. Smash flower. So cantaloupe here. Remember, guys, I had somebody, well, a squirrel or raccoon or something come and dig it up, and it's still thriving. Still thriving. It ain't stopped. Get you out of there. You reaching in everybody's bucket for this freaking thing. Look at this tendrils all in this bucket. But over here we have our broccoli. I learned a little bit about it. They said maybe the weather's too hot for it. So Maybe that's why it hasn't produced a head of cabbage yet. But it looked like it's trying to do something though. You know, if you look in the center, like it's trying to do something. I don't know. Only time will tell. But this is our sweet potatoes right here. Got some yellow leaves in here. Let's pick those out. But we don't know when this is done until probably fall. But it's getting pretty big. Tabasco peppers, look at all of those. I haven't picked any yet. I still want to cross them with my jalapeno back there. Just been busy, so I haven't had time. I want to wait to pick them. I want to get them turn a little red, you know, several colors. Go ahead and pick them from there. And then this is our first jalapeno. Look at that thing. I think it's pretty big. Nice fat jalapeno pepper. And we got more growing at the top. Just waiting on them to do their thing. Sunflowers getting tall. Oh, look like it's trying to. This one's trying to produce a head, sunflower head. We'll see. You know, we'll see. Need to probably go get some nutrients too. Nutrients is already in the soil, but go get some extra nutrients for them. And I'm gonna figure out something to get rid of the rest of these ants, because they staying on my strawberries. They're not giving my strawberries a chance. I haven't had one strawberry yet, but so far everything looks good. Aloe plant, and look at this, y'all. Strawberry came over here, rooted itself, by the way. It's in the ground. So everything and all in all looks good.
Three days later.
What is good, y'all? YD here, back with another video. And I'm showing you guys an update on my garden. Today's the day I'm going to be harvesting some of my stuff. We're gonna get some of these Tabasco peppers off of here. Just let some other ones grow in. Trying to get a variety of colors of them. Also, we're gonna get this bad boy off of here because it's not letting nothing else grow. We got a lot of them trying to grow in here, and I feel like that one's taking too much nutrients from everybody else. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and harvest my one strawberry that I got before the ants get to it, or birds, or whatever is around. But all in all, everything is good. We put some fertilizer, by the way, in our plants. Ooh, look what I just found. I think that is our female. We need to figure out how we can get that pollinated. Finally got a female there. Oh, look, another one. And another one. So, I guess after the fertilizer, and I think another one. No, but I think after I gave them fertilizer, that gave them the nutrients that they needed to be able to produce female parts. So we can start the pollination process. But everything else still looking good, y'all. Sunflowers are starting to grow little tops now too. I don't know if y'all can see that. Sunflowers trying to get little tops. Only, I think 2 of them are starting to get their tops. The other one not so much. But let's get to harvesting.